Hi people, this is Ice Blaze. As you can see, I'm recording a video of my chicks. It's so exciting, I got them today. I promised I'd do a little log about them. The orange one there in the front of your screen is Keisha. Yep, she's a Rhode Island Red. She's very pretty. She's sweet too. That one is my brown leghorn. She doesn't have a name yet. The one beside her is an Amecauna. She's named Maple. She's the sweetest of the bunch. That one there is a silver-laced Wyandotte. She her name is Millie. She's very sweet too. And then over there's Keisha, and the Leghorn and the Brahma. The way I tell the difference is the Brahma has feathered feet and the other one doesn't. My two Leghorns are very flighty, so I'm probably not going to be picking them up for you. As you can see, they made a mess in their food dish and in their water. So, yeah. They're very sweet. As you can see, Keisha and... oh my gosh, I can't even remember the names. How bad am I? Keisha and Millie are good friends. Right there is my favorite, Maple. Again, you probably know. There's my two other chicks. Three of them don't have a name yet. 3 of them do. I'm gonna show you one of my chicks if you could be a bit patient, because I'm new at making videos like this. So, come here. Okay. It's not gonna work. Okay, stay. It's a bit blurry. Okay, there she is. Isn't she very pretty? As you can notice, her distinguishing features are her green legs. I'm sorry if it's out of focus. She's a brown. Sorry about the lighting. It's dark in my garage. She's very sweet. Oh my gosh. My dad's camera is... I've never taken a video on my dad's camera, so yeah. If you have any name ideas, just contact me in the message comments thing. I'm a little dead today, I'm tired. No, I will not show you my face because I think I look like an ugly person. So yeah. And there's Maple again. I think I might name that one, she's my leghorn. I might name her Zippy, because she's really fast. Or maybe, Blaze. She will turn out to be a very pretty chicken. Now, I might do vlogs every day. You should tell me in your comments if I should, and if it's worth it. I'm really sorry about the blurriness. I'll learn more about it later. I'm just going on talking. But they're very cute. Keisha has the stripe down her back. And these two, they look exactly alike, right? Now, as you can see, she has orange feet. Probably can't see it. But she has orange feet. She has green feet. She has feathered feet. She has bare feet. She is black. She is orange. That's how I tell them apart. Now, if you want to see more, comment, and I'll do more. So, yeah. about it.